Hello viewer, and welcome back to our Stealthy Finance Tips channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for safeguarding your personal finances: the pig butchering scam. Ever heard of it? Stick around as we uncover what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how to protect yourself from falling victim to it. What is the pig butchering scam? Well, imagine this. You meet someone online, perhaps through a dating app or social media. They seem friendly, charming even, and you hit it off. Over time, they gain your trust and build a strong emotional connection with you. How does it work? As the relationship progresses, your newfound friend introduces you to what they claim are lucrative investment opportunities, often in areas like cryptocurrency or high-return schemes. They promise significant returns on your investments with minimal risk, enticing you to invest more and more money. Let's say you meet Alex on a social media platform who posts lots of investment plans on crypto or any assets. You keep watching those posts and snapshots of huge returns made by fellow group members. Soon you get impressed and start chatting. Alex begins talking about an incredible investment opportunity in cryptocurrency. He paints a picture of huge returns with minimal risk, and you're intrigued. Without hesitation, you start investing your hard-earned money into this opportunity that Alex presented. As time goes on, you start noticing red flags. The promised returns never materialize, and you begin to question the legitimacy of the investments. But by then, it's too late. Alex disappears with your money, leaving you in financial ruin and heartbroken. How can you avoid falling prey to the pig butchering scam? Tip to avoid pig butchering scam: be cautious of online relationships that quickly transition into discussions about money or investments. Always verify investment opportunities through independent, trusted sources before parting with your hard-earned cash. Remember, protecting your personal finances starts with being vigilant and informed. Don't let scammers take advantage of your trust and goodwill. That's all for today's episode, folks. I hope you found this information helpful and eye-opening. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into safeguarding your finances. As always, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.